Welcome to the Shopware 6 release news. Discover a range of new functionalities and improvements that await you in the release of Shopware 6.5.4.0. Notably, a subscription function, quick orders for the new B2B components, and increased flexibility in customer salutations. Let's start with the general updates. So the following changes apply to the new version in the Community Edition and all commercial plans. The first new feature is a new condition for Rule and Flow Builder. The Shopware Rule Builder in combination with the Flow Builder is a powerful tool that allows you to define rules and automated individual business processes. With various conditions, you can assess different states and trigger automated responses. Now, to expand your capabilities even further, we've introduced a brand new condition. Whether it's an invoice, delivery note, or shipping information, you can now verify how many documents of a specific type have been generated for an order. Picture: creating an automated process that verifies whether an invoice has been created and dispatched before sending a payment reminder to the customer. With this latest rule condition, you can effortlessly implement such scenarios and more. The next new feature gives you more inclusivity and flexibility in customer registrations. In the realm of e-commerce, ensuring that every customer feels valued and addressed is of utmost importance. That's why we've introduced a significant update to make your online store more inclusive. Previously, customers were required to provide a salutation during registration or ordering. Merchants were able to add various salutations for selection. However, not everyone wants to commit to a specific salutation or finds a suitable one from the options provided. This is why a salutation is now optional and no longer mandatory for customers when registering in a shop store. The exception is when you, as the merchant, choose to define it in your shop settings. This forward-thinking change aligns with international standards, giving you more flexibility and empowering you to create a truly diverse and welcoming shopping experience for all. For the developer news, I will only read out the most important topics. As usual, all details can be found in our dev documentation. Added generics to entity repository and entity search result. Fixed extending document templates with SWExtends. Added configuration to disable fine-grained caches. Trusted proxies can now also be configured with normal Symfony configuration, and loosen composer constraints. To stay informed about all features or further updates which are especially relevant for developers, you can follow our announcements on GitHub or check the changelog. Now I'll come to the commercial features and service news. So this is all about features that are not included in the Community Edition. The first feature is the Shopware subscriptions. Exciting news for Shopware Beyond users. Subscriptions are now up for grabs. By offering products via subscriptions, you can boost your sales. Customers will receive their chosen products at regular intervals without the hassle of manually placing orders each time. What's more, you have the freedom to configure the subscription terms as per your preferences. For more in-depth information, take a look at our blog post. And now, the last new feature. Introducing the first feature of B2B components. During the Shopware Community Day in May, we unveiled the B2B components, a feature set designed to enhance B2B commerce, which we are continuously expanding. The purpose behind this initiative is to renew the current B2B suite, both technically and in terms of content. Instead of opting for a one-size-fits-all package, Merchants will have the flexibility to choose and combine various components, tailored precisely to the specific needs. Now available for Shopware Evolve and Shopware Beyond, the first component enables customers to place quick orders by uploading a CSV file or by entering product numbers. This feature allows B2B customers to streamline their ordering process, providing significant value in a B2B context where recurring and comprehensive orders are commonplace. This month, we will publish a comprehensive blog post about the B2B components, highlighting the distinction from the B2B suite and showcasing the forthcoming features. So stay tuned. And this is the end of the release news 6540. We extend our heartfelt thanks to all GitHub contributors for their pull requests that have been incorporated into this version.